Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn number play together step by step. Numbers hide neat patterns. This chapter gives you quick divisibility tests and the reasoning behind them so you can check factors in your head. The simplest tests look at the ending. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends even, by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5, by 10 if it ends in 0, and by 4 if its last 2 digits are. Other tests add the digits. A number is divisible by 3 if its digit sum is, by 9 likewise, and by 6 if it passes both the 2 and 3 tests. Check 738 for 9. Its digit sum is 7 plus 3 plus 8, which is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9, so yes, 738 is divisible by 9. For 11, take the alternating sum, add digits in odd positions, subtract those in even positions. If the result is divisible by 11, so is the number. To recap, endings test 2, 5, 10, and 4. Digit sums test 3 and 9. 6 needs both 2 and 3. And 11s use the alternating sum. Handy mental tools. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.